Sir, please explain, sir. Explain the welding position, sir.
Welding position. Very good question. Welding position. What is the welding position? Welding have many types of position. Mostly 4 type position in the plate and 4 type in the pipe. Why need of the position? Need of the position because the everyone job you cannot turn and move. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So required the good welder have done properly welding in the all position. If the welder could do proper welding in all position, the perfect welder. Okay? Now I explain you what is the position. In the plate, the welding have 4 position. Flat and down hand first. Horizontal second. Vertical third and overhead. How much? 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
After it, what is the down hand plate position? As like it, 2 fish which is going to be welded in the down hand and flat position. Okay? So when you are going down hand and flat position, it means your workpiece is like plane and flat. Okay? Simply in this position your workpiece is like plane and flat, and your welding process is like toward to forward, forward to toward, as it is. Hello? As it like. This joint called in flat and down hand position. The first. And second, horizontal. Horizontal. First of all, what is the horizontal? Horizontal means parallel to water level. In English and Hindi, settings. In this process, in this position, your workpiece is like stand up. Okay? As like stand up. As like it. Okay? And your welding line and welding process, that's like right to left and left to right. Suppose your workpiece is like a big such that a wall. So your welding process right to left as like it, that's like this position called by name of the horizontal. Okay? And third, vertical. Vertical means of what? Your workpiece stand up nearly 90 degrees, and your welding process right down to up and up to down. As it, your workpiece stand up. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you require welding line down to up, yeah, up to down. As it, proper you see. Down to up, yeah, up to down. This position called by name of the vertical. After it, overhead. Fourth position, overhead. In this position, your workpiece fixed over the welder head. As like I am welder, and workpiece is like it, as a roof.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your welding process as like down hand is flat, but your electrode is vertical but down up of the workpiece, as like it. This position called by name of overhead. The four positions clear in the plate.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.